We're all competing. Whether it's an in-game lobby, it's on the field, or it's through product innovation. AI is changing the game. Now we need to compete on our data sets. That data needs to be trusted. And then we need to put an AI layer on top of that so that we can yield the right information at the right time to train our players and to compete in the moments to outlast and outplay our competition. With SAP Business Data Cloud, we've built a competitive foundation that can keep up with the game. Team Liquid is the most successful esports team in the entire world. We have won more championships than any other team. Our mission is to be the largest, most successful esports organization. In order to achieve that, we need to focus on every single component that leads to a competitive advantage in winning. We have an enormous amount of data. The trouble is, how do we organize and analyze this data to make decisions based on that data? When the data doesn't match and the context gets lost, AI is just going to create more noise. With SAP Business Data Cloud, we connect 500 billion data points and context stays attached so that we can reason across what's happened, why it's happened, but most importantly, what's going to happen next. With over 6 million matches analyzed, we evaluate players across thousands of games, not just small samples. With vector-based game state similarity search, will this play style complement our roster? We've saved 10,000 hours annually in draft preparation alone through our AI-powered draft tool. We've eliminated another 10,000 hours of manual work through AI. Players walk into competition with preparation that's clearer, faster, and more personable. Together with Business Data Cloud, the creation of a custom Joule agent has enabled the ability to ask really highly technical questions in plain language to get the answers grounded in the type of competitive context that we need. We move from addressing roughly 10 to 15% of non-routine coaching questions to 90%. It opens a door to something that really matters deeply in esports, and that is to help players stay healthier, sharper, and more competitive longer. What Team Liquid is doing isn't just esports. It's a preview of what every organization is heading, where data and AI move from competitive advantage to operating system of your business. There's no way to get there without the SAP Business Data Cloud. The point was never innovation for the sake of innovation. The point was transformation. And at the heart of this is our partnership, Team Liquid and the SAP Business Data Cloud, using AI in a unified, context-rich data to turn complexity into an edge.